do with the father, it's what to do with the mother. You see it all the time with dogs. If there's something wrong with the bitch, then there's something wrong with the pup.
Right you are, Harry.
Not to be rude or anything, but this isn't a great time for me to have a house elf in my bedroom.
Oh, yes, sir. Dobby understands. It's just that Dobby has come to tell you it is difficult, sir. Dobby wonders where to begin.
Why don't you sit down?
Dobby! Stop! Dobby, please, stop!
Potter must not go back to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry this year.
I don't understand. You can't say.